Here's a great idea. What if you could obtain more accuracy from your gravimetric master batch feeder for small shots without having to invest extra time calibrating parts? Or if you could reduce product rejects and additive consumption without having to spend a lot of money? Well, now you can, with the new ColorSave-Micro gravimetric feeder from LIAD. Traditional gravimetric feeders use a revolving screw to advance master batch to the processing machine, resulting in occasional product rejects and master batch waste when producing small products, not to mention all the maintenance and calibration time involved when changing jobs. But ColorSave-Micro solves all these challenges by replacing the screw feeder with a vibrating channel, obtaining consistent accuracy to within a single pellet without ever having to change parts. With ColorSave-Micro, you can accurately feed pellets, regrinds, or powders for even the smallest products with unmatched accuracy, and this translates into big savings. ColorSave-Micro is also easily integrated into existing injection molds and extrusion lines, requires minimal maintenance, is easily cleaned between jobs, and can be connected to a Venturi loader for feeding large shots. While we're thrilled with the new ColorSave-Micro, no one says it better than our customers. The ColorSave-Micro dramatically reduced our product rejects and calibration time. Since installing the ColorSave-Micro on our small product line, we have not had a single reject. The ColorSave-Micro will improve your factory's accuracy and efficiency. Have any questions? Contact us and talk to one of our engineers to decide if the ColorSave-Micro is right for you.